Blanchard here with aRicherMe Yoga. We're here to make yoga easy. Join me on the mat for a nice, easy flow to start your day. Okay? So we'll begin in a seated position. Sit down in a hero pose. This is your hero. That's right, your hero is sitting down, not doing anything, because he's done, or she is done. All right. Take a deep breath. Raise your arms up in the air. Reach for the sky. And your affirmation, your intention for the day. And then bring it down as you exhale. And take another breath. Shoulders away, 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 away from your ears. Keep your body tidy. All right. And take another deep breath. Raise your arms up in the air. Taking that inhale and then lowering your hands. As you exhale. Your intention to the universe, if that's what you believe. God. Amen. All right, here we are. Amen, brother. Okay, one more time. Oh, sorry, I'm not very PC. And bring it down. Okay, now place your hands on the mat. Raise your bottom up and find yourself in a tabletop position with your feet flat, your hands in front of you, right under your shoulder actually, and your neck is stretched nice and taut. You can feel the energy flowing through your neck, right? Okay. Now as you're here, you can curl your toes under, okay, and raise your knees up in the air. Oh, she's doing that. Okay, and push your bottom up, right, into a downward facing dog. This is the best flow, all right? So we're in a downward facing dog. And we're going to walk our way into a plank. Take a step with your hands into a plank. Oh yeah, there's rolls there. And push it back into your downward facing dog, a little bit stretched out. That's right. These are flows. So just moving from one position to another. It's your flow. And then lean it forward into your plank. And if you like, you can push your toes forward and then rest your thighs on the ground. Keep your shoulders away from your ears and your toes stretched out behind you. Keep your back nice and firm and your bottom firm so that you're not putting too much strain on your back. But you're building back strength here. Now, we can curl our toes back, or if you would prefer, you can put your knees down and push your way back, curl up, and go back to your downward facing dog. Let's walk your dog. Oh, hey doggy. And let's let your dog relieve himself or herself, actually to him if he raises his leg. And put your heel up, and then your toe, and your heel, and then drop your foot back. Drop that foot back. And let's roll over. This is hard. Oh, for some people, for me to do it. All right, here we go. Roll. Drop that foot down. Okay. Fold it there. Nice Nice side body stretch. Keep your butt up. Butt up, boy. All right, let's come back. Do the other side. Raise your foot up in the air. Heel, toe, heel, toe, and lean your foot back. Raise your arm up in the air and let it drop. Oops, I got a wall behind me. Let's move that out. Okay. And then drop that arm back like that. Okay. Here we are. Stretched out. Hold it. 2, 3, and there are other things you could do from here, but I haven't practiced them, so I'm not going to share it yet. Okay. And you should be back in your downward facing dog. Drop your knees down. Lay your feet down, and then lower your bottom into a child's pose. And relax your arms and take a break. A little nice counter pose. You can rock your head. Ooh, I'm a little perchy. You can rock your head from side to side, massaging that little third eye there so you can start visualizing better. Yummy. Okay, we'll rise up. Raise your arms, circle them back, bring them forward, do it again, up, raise it up, and throw it back. Awesome. Do it slow-mo, low. Slowly, slowly, don't hurt your molly. Ooh, boy, would that hurt. Okay. Just do that. Here we are. Let's move forward. Lay yourself on the mat. And stretch your arms out. Now raise your bottom up in the air and walk your way back. One step and lower your chest. See if you can lay your chest on the mat. This is a melting heart. You can curl your toes up or you can lay them flat. Either one. Sometimes if you're cramping, sometimes and I get crampy, so you can curl your toes if that helps. Okay, we're in a melting heart position. Now rise up onto your elbows and then lower your body into a Sphinx pose. You might have to make some adjustments, maybe have to move your arms up a little bit, but that's okay. Just get there. That's the important part. All right, now hold that nice Sphinx pose. Your pelvic bone is resting on the mat. You're rised up. You're raised up. You're rised. You rised up, girl. All right. Yeah, I've risen. Hold your head should be sort of straight up. You can bring it back a little if you want a nice little stretch, but that can hurt your lower back a little bit. So let's just be a Sphinx. Okay, and keep your head straight. You're looking that way, not that way, because you the chick or the dude or whatever. You the king or the queen. I am the queen. All right, now let's bring it back. Raise your body up. Oh, that can be fun in and of itself. And lower it back down into the melting heart. Oh, I think I need a little padding right there or something. Maybe. Okay. Melt that heart down. Okay. Hold it. And bring it back up into the Sphinx pose. And hold it there. Shoulders away from your ears. Tidy up that body. Tighten your body. Your butt should be taut, your shoulders away from your ears, your spine straight. Good posture. Sphinx is for good posture. Hey. All right, let's go back. Yoga should be fun. And people take it too seriously. Okay, so it's really a nice morning workout. Feels good, leaves me feeling good. It connects with my other philosophical beliefs and practices. So, whatever works for you. Okay, here we are in that melting heart position, and we're going into our Sphinx. The last Sphinx for the day is this one. And so we should respect it. Let's do it right. Now, here we are in the Sphinx. I gotta fix that. Hold that. Let's really be mindful of where we are. And tidy up your body. And just hold that position. Take some deep breaths. And now you're going to rise up into your downward facing dog. So push your bottom up and pick your elbows up. You're going to make some adjustments and then push your bottom up in the air. And then get into your downward facing dog. Maybe you started out in a plank, but we want that downward facing dog. So now we're going to roll into a plank. So from the downward facing dog, we roll into plank pose and hold that. Okay, I'm rolling, rolling on my toes to get myself right on the mat so I'm not just like rocking and rolling everywhere. Okay, and so we're going from the downward facing dog. Okay, you go down from your downward facing dog and folding it over into a plank. And this is where your core work happens in your plank. Tidy up your body and hold it there. And push your bottom back. See if you can flatten your heels to the ground. Ooh, that's always fun. Maybe if I walk back a little bit, I can. Maybe not. Okay. Here we go, back to the plank pose. Shoulders away from your ears and nice tidy body. Hold it there in your plank. You can walk the plank if you like. This is also good for your core. It helps you. It doesn't do anything for skin problems, but gaining 100 pounds and then losing it, that's what that does right down there. From my 30s and 40s when I was, I don't know, just full of everything. Life, children, marriage, eating every day, 3 meals a day, oh yeah. It was good. But anyway, I'm not there now. Here we are in our nice body rolling down into a plank pose. There we go. And then bring it back up. There we go. All right. Good job. Let's walk into a nice mountain pose. So I'm going to turn. Be rising up, raise up slowly, slow. Circle your arms back behind you, raise them up and roll them back. Oh, yeah. And if you so choose, if you're near a wall, you can do a little back bend. Go. Maybe not. And bring it back up. I'm too far away from the wall. What is the wall? Okay, excuse me now. If you want to do a back good, here we go. Where's that wall? Oh, there it is. Okay, I don't want to do it all the way down because I can't yet. But I'd like to practice every day. Okay, and I'm going to practice one other thing every day, which is this, my headstand. You can join me or just not. It's up to you. But I'm doing it next to the wall because it adds to my stability, right? It's there if I need it. It's like a psychological touching. I'm going to touch base with you. Where are you? There you go. I can do something crazy. Maybe. Here we go. This is just my practice. You don't have to do this. This is not yoga made easy. Ooh. Me showing off. No, not showing off. Come on, I gotta do it every day. And I go to work when I'm done with this, I'm gone. I do my posting and then I'm out of here. Ooh, but I do like to take a moment and rest after an inversion like that. And so if you're just watching, I try not to take too much time doing that, partly because I can't do it very long. And then the other part is, I know you're there waiting, so. Okay, take a deep breath and exhale. And another. Relax your arms, sit in a nice, easy position. This is the easy position. You can flex your hands, stretch your hands, flex and stretch. Tighten your hands and then stretch them. All right? And then release, release. Ooh, sullenness comes out. All right, and take a breath. Exhale. Close your eyes. Rest there for 3 breaths. And open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today. I enjoyed this practice, this easy practice. I hope you found it easy, except for the last part. I know. I just, for me, that's not easy, and I like to practice every day. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me, and I'm wishing you a joyful and prosperous day. Namaste.